Today we're working on a 2008, 2009 Outback Legacy. This little cover right here with the pick, it's got little spots right here. Use a flathead and there's two screws up here. Right here has two clips for your dome light. Use a pick if you want to pry on it down. One over here. One more over here. And your dome light comes out. So if you have a problem with your dome light, this is one way of replacing it. And unplug here. There's your dome light. I took this off earlier, so that's why it looked like I just took it off by magic. But I'll take the other side off the same way. These things right here have these little holes on the side, and that's how they come out. So you could, you know, like that, and just clip back in. You just push it and then to the side. You just stick your finger in this side and hold it so it doesn't go back. And then the same on this side. It's got the wings that lock it in place. And you got these handles. They have little spots right here, and they come right off. Or use a pick. There you go. And these handles have two screws in them as well. There's one screw there, one screw there, and you might want to go a flathead and give it a little bit of pry in the back. And these things just pop out. You could drop the molding, or you can, you know, stick something in here and it's the first time I've seen this. So this is how these come out. Never knew that. That's the first time seeing that. Someone's obviously tried to pop it in before. It's not supposed to be like this. All this stuff. So this side's pretty much done. We have this for the headliner. This thing just comes right off. What I would usually do is take all the big pieces and just throw them in the back. Now we got the same thing on this side. So we're gonna remove this. Okay, make sure you go with these picks. This little has a little cover. This little cover, and then you can get to the screws. Two screws. Some of them have lights in here. That's why they have power here. Just push the clip and unplug it. Same thing with this. Both sides. Stick a finger in one side and I'll come out. Now back to the door, back to the handles. Screwdriver. That little white clip is what's holding it. They do that so you can put it in so it holds it for you, and then you can put the stuff in. But then this right here, it's a little clip. You just got to push and it comes out. If you try to pull on it, you're gonna break it. But if you stick a screwdriver in like that, just right through here like this, comes out. I'll put this in the back. Gotta remove these things. There we go. Now we pull these out, same as the front. Try to keep the front stuff separate from the back. I've done it a million times, so I know where everything's at. Pick these guys very carefully. Move that. This needs to come out. There's 2 screws up here as well. 1, 2, and the thing stays in the headliner. This side handle, 1 here, 1 here. Screw here. This clip was fighting with me, but I still made it. This little guy needs to come out. These panels pop out. Pull the rubber so you can get it behind it. And these guys just pop. They're only on with clips. Same goes for this side. There's number 10 right here. Needs to come out. There's a 10 in here. What I recommend is probably pull these guys off. Throw them in the back. Number 10. And here, pull that off. These, you could drop it all the way from down there, take all of it off, but there's no need to. Oh, look at that. That's how good I am. I just stared at it, and the thing just automatically came down. But I'll show you guys. There's these little green clips. These guys. That's the headliner on that side. We'll do the same on this side now. And this just, it all just wants to fall apart. Do it like that. The back part's where the problems lie. Another bolt there. You know, I'm gonna try to just do this much to sneak out the headliner. If these rubbers, it's pretty much headliner's coming down. I think we're ready to go. We're ready to come out. Show you guys on the upper inside of what's holding up the thing. Get one of these guys. There's a clip back here. way back here. See it? There's one over here as well. And most cars don't have it, but this thing has a number 10 sitting here for some awful reason. That's aftermarket. You get the plug right here. Don't forget that. You get this wire. These guys, you're just gonna have to just do that too. If you have dogs in the car, look at this dog hair. This is what happens with dogs in the car. This piece, I never have a. You just gotta pop this guy out. It's for the seat belt. I'll show you guys how it goes back together. That's for that. What's holding up? Let's go to the front. These wires, you just kind of have to unclip it off the headliner. Even here, the tape stuff, just you're just gonna have to reroute all this stuff. This wire goes all the way down and all the way around. Got one clip in there that I can't reach. More wires here. This thing's got wires galore. Man, oh man. It's going to be even tougher putting it back together. What do we have left? This wire, I'll have to drop this light. This light's gonna have to come out from the bottom in order to get this to unplug. We got one more wire over there. The wire's loose. Get the wires out of the way. And this thing's pretty much ready to come out. What I should have done is this so you can see it. Headliner. Come right out. If you have nowhere to put it right on top of the car. And that's how you pull the headliner out.